Dr. Tuliram Ronghang inaugurated the model Anganwadi centers at Dharamnala Model AWC Depot on 14th August. Joyson J. Singh Rengma arrested by police over the allegations of connections with KAL on 13th August. 4th General Freshers Meet celebrated at Chokehola Higher Secondary School on 13th August. Freedom in the minds, faith in the words, and pride in our soul. Leherayenge har ghar tiranga. Wishing you all a happy 76th Independence Day. Good morning, viewers. You are watching English Prime Time. Now the news in details. On 14th of August, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council attended the inaugural ceremony of Model Anganwadi Centers at Binapani High School Field, Dharamnala, Depot. Inaugural ceremony of Model Anganwadi Centers under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Depot LAC for the year 2020 to 2021 was organized at Binapani High School Field, Dharamnala Model AWC under Depot ICDS Karbi Anglong. The ceremony was chaired by Robinson Crow, Assistant Superintendent Social Welfare Department, and the agenda of the meeting was briefed by Madhuri Bora, ICDS Program Officer. The Model Anganwadi Centers was inaugurated by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in presence of Bidya Singh Inglang, MLA, Chairperson of AHISDC Limited, Dr. Numal Mumin, Deputy Speaker, Government of Assam, Darsing Ronghang, MLA, Executive Members, MAC of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and several important dignitaries. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, while speaking to us, informed that Dharamnala Model AWC is the first center being inaugurated, and as many as 11 Model Anganwadi centers would be upgraded from its existing Anganwadi centers in each legislative assembly under KAC. Total 44 Model Anganwadi centers to be upgraded initially, and slowly all the centers would be upgraded in the days to come.
Hey, Model Anganwadi Center আমি বৰ্তমান কাৰ্বি আংলঙত এটা এলে সমষ্টিত 11টা বাবে আনুষ্ঠানিকভাৱে আজি উদ্বোধন কৰা হৈছে। বাকীবিলাকৰ কাম চলি আছে আৰু এনেধৰণৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং যিমানখিনি আংগনবাদী চেণ্টাৰ আছে সেই আংগনবাদী চেণ্টাৰবিলাকৰ এনেধৰণৰ মডেল আংগনবাদী চেণ্টাৰ বনাবৰ কাৰণে অসম চৰকাৰৰ লগত আমাৰ বিধায়কসকলৰ লগত আৰু আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিলৰ লগত আলাপ আলোচনা কৰি সেই গোটেইখিনি আংগনবাদী চেণ্টাৰবিলাকৰ এনেধৰণৰ মডেল আংগনবাদী চেণ্টাৰ বনাবৰ কাৰণে আমি চেষ্টা কৰি আছোঁ।
News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. As per the report, on 13th of August, Joyson J. Singh Rengma, 48 years old, a resident of Japra Langso under Bokajan Police Station, was taken to custody over the allegations of connection with the newly formed militant outfit named Karbi United Liberation Army. Joyson J. Singh Rengma recently contested the MAC general elections of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council from Diopani constituency as a candidate from Indian National Congress Party. He was arrested over the allegations of involvement with the newly formed militants outfit named Karbi United Liberation Army KULA on 13th August. The police department summoned him on 12th August and interrogated him at Bokajan Police Station. He was then kept in captivity with suspicions of involvement with the newly formed militants outfit named Karbi United Liberation Army. He was taken to Bokajan Judicial Court for hearing on 13th August. On hearing the news of his arrest, the citizens of Bokajan subdivisions were left in shock. The investigations of the case is under progress and the actual news would be published once the investigations concludes. Anand Sterang report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. On 13th of August, Chokehola Higher Secondary School under Nilip constituency celebrated its 4th annual General Freshers Meet. Richard Tok BEM of Education Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council attended as the chief guest of the event. To transform the education sector at Karbi Anglong, Richard Tok BEM for Education Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had been visiting all the 11 developmental blocks under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council since the last few weeks. Likewise, on 13th of August, EM of Education visited Chokihola Higher Secondary School and attended the General Freshers Meet as the chief guest. Chokihola Higher Secondary School is the only higher secondary school under Nilip constituency which brought laurels to the constituency by securing 100% of pass consecutively over the past 4 years. Richard Tok BEM in charge education, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council attended as a chief guest and Bibison Rongpi, Principal Longmirjan College Dhentaghat, Khogen Terang social activist, Winson Ronghang, President of Nilip Sports Association and Chairman of Nilip BLCC Chairman, Noah Phangcho, General Secretary, Nilip Sports Association, Suresh Tiso, Nilip KCS Zonal Committee, Chesongkiri Inki, Advisor KSA Chokihola Branch attended as a guest of the event.
Social meet of Chokihola Higher Secondary School. I congratulate all the freshers students of 88 students and welcome them into this school at Chokihola Higher Secondary. I came here to encouragement, motivation speech have been given to them. First of all, that your priority is to studies. So give your time to study. And my awareness to the parents, my appeal to them, that please encourage those children to go for more further studies, because as per survey we have got most of the school dropout in Karbi Anglong is class 9 and class 10 students, because of one reason is the child marriage, and we have to give this awareness along with the media team for this awareness program.
Dr. Ronjit Ronghang, Principal Chokihola Higher Secondary School, submitted the memorandum to Richard Tok BEM in charge education, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council on this occasion. Richard Tok BEM in charge education, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, while speaking to us, informed that he attended the event to congratulate the students and encourage them for their further studies. He had appealed to the parents and guardians of the children to give proper guidance during their high school period, as many students drop out from school during this period as per the report, from consequently result to the early child marriage. It is reported that all the points mentioned to the memorandum submitted by Chokihola Higher Secondary School would be implemented as early as possible in the coming days. Dr. Ronjit Ronghang, Principal Chokihola Higher Secondary School, informed that the number of students enrolling their names at the school would be seen increasing every year, and the performance of the school in the last 4 years had been a great success with 100% of passing rate. But there is one issue which upsets the school authority, and that is the non-availability of classrooms. Therefore, the utmost important things that the school requires is the school infrastructure upgradation. More classrooms should be installed. He also informed that Richard Tok BEM in charge education gave his assurance to the school authority to place a budget in the next budget session for the upgradations of Chokihola Higher Secondary School. Samson Ingti's report from Chokihola, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.